Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Ola Hazu. Please, we are going today. Let's move to the point why we are here. No much of wasting time. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to swap your coins. Very easy way to swap your coin, and I'm going to touching other parts on the app so you won't get confused on the app. Thank you. If you find the video interesting, kindly like and subscribe. That really helps me a lot. And give a nice comment if you want more of my videos. Thank you. So there's an app. The name of the app we are going to be using for this is called Bybit. If you are using an iPhone or an Android, if you are using an iPhone, you can go to your app store and search for the app. It's called Bybit. It's also available on your Android. Go to your Play Store, search for Bybit, install it. After installing it, you open it. After opening it, you sign up, verify your account. My own is already signed up, verified. Everything is done. Sorry guys, it's only $3. I'm a broke boy, so I'm just trying to hustle, you understand? So let's go to the main matter of the day. So firstly, when you are done, you see this is how it will be showing. So in case, let me just touch some kind parts before we move to the swapping area. Now you want to buy coins. Most people have been complaining they don't know how to buy coin on this Bybit or buy anything, BTC, USDT, all those things on this Bybit. Note, if you are buying coin on this Bybit, it's only 4 or 5 coins you can only buy from their P2P trading. So let's let it load. As you can see, these are vendors that are selling USDT. There, see it, buy. Are you seeing it? You see the buy side. You see USDT. You tap on it. You see these are the only coins they are buying. You can buy from the app. And if you want to sell to them, let's see it. Maybe that is the only self you can sell to them. Yes, that is the only you can also sell to them. So these are some vendors in case you want to buy. But I advise you to go for verified vendors. Anyone you see this golden tick at the side, go for them. These are their prices. All of them have different prices. But me, I don't go for the less cheaper ones, and I don't go for the higher ones. I just go for the one because most of them, their transfer are always slow, and you cannot get scammed on this app. If you get scammed, your money must be given back to you. Bybit is going to take a legal procedure if you report to them that you have been scammed on the app. And beware of scammer outside the app. Don't tell anybody that tell you this one, that one. You can never scam inside the app. It's only outside the app you can be scammed. Like when you send coin to somebody telling you that it's a Bybit official or all this kind of thing. Beware of scammers. So if you want to buy, you can buy from here. You tell them the amount you want. You chat. After placing order, you can chat with the person, sending me your receipt from any bank of your choice, any country. So let's go back. So now let's go back to the matter of the day, showing you guys how to swap your coin. So you click on assets. After clicking on assets, you see a dashboard like this. A dashboard like this will pop up. As you can see it here, it's right here. Then you click on convert. You see it here, click on it, convert. In this dashboard, you see deposit, withdraw, transfer. You click on convert coin. After clicking on it, this is it. One thing I love Bybit is that when converting coin, you don't pay for any charges. It's free of charge and very fast and reliable. If you just do it now, they'll show you your coin now, and you can transfer the coin out now to any other wallet. That's one thing that's one thing I love about it. So if you want to swap your coin from you can see from BTC to USDT, you can also swap from other coins to USDT. See it, just choose from any of the coins, swap to them. Anyone you want to swap, if it's USDT, swap both of them. You can swap from Tron to Ethereum, from Ethereum to any coin, from any coin to any coin. When you just do it very fast, and when you just place your when you just write the amount you want to swap and it's available in your balance, to show you the amount of the other coin is going to give you at, you now click on this quote. When you click on this quote, It will now show you some things, verify ASAP. Your money is to swap ASAP and can transfer it out ASAP. So this is all I have to say for today. Thank you guys. I know most of you have been to this ending part. I really appreciate it. I'm just a struggling YouTuber, so if you find this video interesting, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you. It really helps me a lot. Thank you.